In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a lead form in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll have a simple working web form that sends leads directly into your CRM so you can capture and organize prospects automatically. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your browser and go to crm.zoho.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Zoho account so you land on your main Zoho CRM dashboard. Give the page a moment to load so that all the options are visible. Next, we need to get into the settings area where web forms are managed. Look toward the top right corner of the screen for the small gear icon. This is the standard settings icon in Zoho CRM. Go ahead and click that gear. When you do, Zoho will open the Setup or Settings panel, which is where you control most of the configuration for your CRM. Inside this setup area, we're looking for the web forms section. Depending on your layout, you might see it under something like developer space or automation, but the label you want is simply web forms. Take a moment to scan the options, then click on web forms. This is the tool Zoho provides to build forms that you can embed on your website or share as links, and any submissions will automatically create records in your CRM. Once you're on the web forms page, you'll see a list of any forms that already exist, or it might be empty if you haven't created one yet. To build a new one, look for the button that says New Form. It's often near the top right of this section. Click New Form and Zoho will open the form creation screen. Here, the first thing you'll want to do is give your form a clear name. Find the field labeled form name and type in something descriptive like website lead form or contact us leads. This name is mainly for your internal use in Zoho CRM, so choose something that will make sense to you and your team later when you're managing or editing forms. After naming the form, you need to tell Zoho which module this form should feed into. In this case, because we're creating a lead form, you'll typically select the leads module, look for the drop-down or selection labeled module, click it, and choose the module you want the form to create records in. Picking the correct module here is important because it determines what type of record is created each time someone fills out your form. Once you've entered the form name and selected the module, you're ready to create the form structure. To move forward, look for the button labeled Create and click it. When you click Create, Zoho will generate the basic form layout tied to the module you selected. From there, you'll be able to customize fields, adjust the layout, and eventually publish or embed the form on your website. And that's all you need to do at this stage to create a lead form in Zoho CRM. Go to crm.zoho.com, open the settings with the gear icon, find web forms, start a new form, name it, choose the right module, and click Create.